All right, here's the second part of my contacts project. The first thing I have is just the like logic or the functions that this one will delete a contact, this one will update a contact, and this one will create a contact. Um, and then in the routes, you can see that I have the put, post, and delete statements that will bring in those functions. Um, then we created this routes rest file. Oh, I already have it open. And in this file, we can test all of those. So the get will get the 3 contacts that are already in the database. The get by ID will just get one with a specific ID. The create, if I send it, it's not going to bring back anything, but then when I get them all again, you'll see that it did create a new contact. And specifically, you can see that this contact, if you look at like the favorite color, it's blue, the email's test, and the birthday is December. So when we run this put contact, I'm going to put that same ID in because so that it works. But when we send this updating and then get them again, it will change those. So like now the email's different, the color's different, the birthday's different. And then the same with the delete, I'll put in that same ID so that it will actually delete something. And when we run it, it's not going to bring back anything, but then when we get it again, it will show that contact was deleted. Then we also added the swagger here. Let's see. The swagger, which gives us this JavaScript file. And then we can go and test that in the render. This is GitHub. Let's see, where's my render? Here's my render. So I'll copy that link and I'm just going to open it here. I already have it open. You can see that it will bring up the contacts, but we want to bring up the API docs. So here we have the API docs where we can test all of these out. So like the contacts, if we try it out, you can see that it will work. It will bring up the 3 contacts. The same with the IDs. If we take one of these IDs, copy it, and then try this, paste it in there. It will also bring up just the one contact of the ID that was placed in there.